Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cherry channel. So today we are going to discuss about spoken English class part 2. So in this class 2 only, this part is divided into part A. In yesterday I have uploaded part 2. So in that part 2, I am going to divide this part A. So let's start. Let us see some examples of proper noun. India is our motherland. Saraswati is Hindu goddess of learning. Subhash Chandra Bose founded the Indian National Army. Varanasi and Haridwar have world famous temples. Delhi was capital of Mughal emperors. In the above sentences, India, Saraswati, Subhash Chandra Bose, Varanasi, and Haridwar and Delhi are names of persons or place. They are called proper nouns. Common noun. The man is kind, but many men are cruel. School is the nursery of nation. Hillock is a small hill. Trains carry passengers and goods. The tank is full. Man, men, hillock, trains, tank are the names of common to all such things. They are called common nouns. Collective noun. The mob beat up the thief. It found a bunch of keys. The cattle were grazing in the field. A fleet of ships was sunk by our navy. A swarm of bees hovered round the flowers. Mob, bunch, cattle, fleet, and swarm describe a group of peoples, animals, or things. They are called collective nouns. Collective nouns are the words that tells about a group, persons, living beings, or things. Kindness is always rewarded. Wisdom works wonders. Truth is beauty. Beauty is truth. Charity should begin at home. Laughter is the best medicine. Kindness, wisdom, truth, charity, and laughter are the called abstract nouns. Concrete things. Concrete things means things that we can see in form, shape, and color. For example, school, bus, bridge, tree, house, road, etc. Abstract is the opposite of concrete. These are ideas or qualities. Abstract nouns represent a quality, action, condition, or state. Abstract nouns are formed in three ways: from adjectives, from verbs, from common nouns. Kind, kindness, wise, wisdom, cruelty, from verbs. Grow, growth, think, thought. Know, knowledge, advance, advancement. Form common nouns. Scholar, scholarship. Brother, brotherhood. Brotherhood means brotherhood of man and fatherhood of God. Friend, friendship. Father, fatherhood. Abstract nouns always end with suffixes like age, assy, ain't, see, sigh, dom, and etc. So, we will see some examples. Accept, acceptance. So, NC is suffix. Advise, advice. So here CE is suffix. Believe, belief. So EF is suffix. Close, closure. So URE is suffix. So these are the examples of suffixes. So nouns, numbers. The endings of most nouns show their number. There are two numbers in English. One singular, more than one plural. In Sanskrit, there are three numbers: singular, dual, plural. Singular nouns changed into plural as shown below by suffixes s and es. Student, students. Teacher, teachers. Town, towns. State, states. Chair, chairs. Class, classes. Batch, batches. Match, matches. Bench, benches. Mango, mangoes. Some nouns ending in zero merely. Take s. When changed from singular to plural, Canato, chapter, pa. Canatos, photos, photo. Nouns ending with the constant y are changed to plural by using I in place of y and adding es. Baby, babies. Hobby, hobbies. Story, stories. Laboratory, laboratories. Nouns ending with f, fe change to plural form by adding the suffix ves. So let's see some examples. Calf, calves. Life, lives. Low, lows. Leaf, leaves. Knife, knives. Brief, briefs. Belief, beliefs. Chief, chef, chefs. Roof, roofs. Some nouns are changed from singular to plural by adding suffixes en and ren. Ox, oxen. Children, child. Certain nouns have only plural form: trousers, tongs, mums, and assets. Compound nouns form plurals by adding s to the main word. Compounder, in chief. Compounders, in chief, chef. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Looker on, lookers on. However, certain other compound nouns form their plurals by adding s to the second word. Step brother, maid servant, onlooker. Step brothers, maid servants, onlookers. So here plurals adding s. So some nouns have two meanings in singular and one meaning in plural. In people, men, women. Peoples, nations. Nation, nations. Peoples, nations. Habit, exercise. Practice, habits. Some nouns change their spelling when changed into plural. Singular, basis. Plural, bases. Thesis and thesis. Some nouns take the suffix ii or e when changed to plural. Singular, radius. Plural, ready. Formula, formulae. Some nouns have only one meaning in singular and two in plural. Custom, customs. Habit, habits. Important tax. Some nouns change their meaning totally when changed from singular to plural. Good, good, goods, welfare, material. So, I am expecting that you understood this class. If you understood, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Tomorrow we will meet at part B.